Hey Erica, I'm just looking at your Wellness Wednesday logo. I'm missing fonts, so you might want to go in here and just either delete out stuff that you don't need anymore, and also remember to definitely outline your fonts. These are outlined. Maybe it's these ones off to the side. So you might want to try it. If you don't need this anymore, deleting this out. Also, just a design thing. I think that these look really pretty nice. But one thing that might help the design out is just by connecting these, maybe. That might help the design out to connect them. Also, I don't know if the if the stroke around these is necessary. It's just kind of a small thing, I guess. I do like the boldness of it, and maybe the stroke color could be the same as the color of the text. But I can see why you might need it here, though, to take out the W. So I can see that. The only reason I was thinking about connecting these was that I think you have this kind of filled in with a gradient. And I'm not sure if that's necessary, at least on the black and white. But also this wellness text could be thicker, at least on the black and white version. But other than that, I think that this looks pretty good. I'm sure Amber's probably really happy with it too. So great job on this. And I think, they look quite a bit alike. Yeah, it was just this one area here. It almost seems like maybe it just needs to be conjoined with a line here. I'm not sure if that's necessary or not. But there's something about that is just kind of bothering me. But other than that, I really think it looks great. Great job. And let's see, you got PNG files in here. You could also make some JPEGs. File export as some JPEG files in CMYK for print, because these would be used online on screens. The PNG files would be a screen file, so JPEGs might be good to make. And an AI or an EPS of probably, so you could do like a file, save as, put in that same folder. We can make this an EPS, which is still vector. Use artboards, and we could do a range of 1. And then we could call this color. And then save that as an EPS. Push OK. That'll save out this one artboard. We would do file, I think save as again, and EPS, use artboards, range, look at 2, and this will be BW, black and white, and save that out. So the EPS file is basically like the AI file, except it's smaller, so it's not such a big file type. It won't take up as much room, but it still has the vector in it, and so it's super high quality still. And maybe even, yeah, like I said, a JPEG. So file, export as, use artboards, and just make it a JPEG. Okay. And you can do ranges, so you can do 1, and this could be color export. And make sure it's in 300, CMYK, that's for print. And then file, export as. You want to do the black and white version. Use artboards, range, artboard number 2, export, high, you can make this grayscale, and OK. So if we look at the different file types that you might provide to Amber, this might be closer to what you would do. You got your PNG files, you might want to rename those so that one says color and one says black and white. There's the AI original file, EPSs, JPEG, and color JPEG. So yeah, anyway, that would be a good thing to provide to Amber with all of those file types. But other than that, this looks great. Talk to you later.